So hello guys, my name is Ayush Patwal and today we are going to create this. You are going to suffer now. So actually this is a intermediate level tutorial and the things you require for this are these. So for this we are going to use After Effects. So guys, today we are going to recreate the effect from the master or the After Effects guru Andrew Kramer. Yes, the Vane effect. So actually that effect he have made it the tutorial was a little bit old. Actually it was from 2013 and there are a lot of things that have changed in Mocha A. So I decided to make a tutorial on that because when I was recreating that effect, it was so much harder and I struggled a lot to recreate that effect because of there are so many changes in Mocha A. So if you are using actually 2013 After Effects or 2016 After Effects, you could have the same settings as Andrew Kramer's video have. So let's just jump into the video and we will first import the footage. And I am actually using same footage that I was using in my 50 film hour challenge, and you could actually check it out, the 50 hour film challenge. There are a lot of VFX I created in that. So let's make a composition of it and actually name the composition VEINS, Veins. And what we are going to do, we are going to also change the name of this one. We will call it main. Actually I always use. So let's make it half, and what we are going to do is just go to first select this one always and go to animation and track in Boris FX Mocha AE. Yes, Mocha AE, and go over here, suppress this warning. Actually I am using over here you could see I am using half. Half works for me pretty well. If your spec is computer specifications are good, you could actually continue in a full. So let's just jump into Mocha AE. So here we are in the Mocha AE, and let's just bring it to like where was we? So actually let's just yes, over here we could see that my face is most visible. So let's just jump into B. Yes, so I use this one. So let's just go and create a mask like this. Yes, this should not be that much perfect. And look at the magic of Mocha E. Just first tracks backwards and let it track, let it do its thing. And actually it will it's pretty good. Mocha is pretty good plugin and its pro version is too good. If even the After Effects Mocha AE is pretty good, and the another a separate version of Mocha AE Pro, it's pretty good in tracking. So actually before 2017 the to end the video and actually name it double click, like name it anything. I will use Gal. Actually in Hindi we call cheek gal. So if you have multiple body parts, like if you want to brush this, paint this neck also, you could do that, and there will be another track for that, but I am not going to use it because I am just going to make a illumination surface on my gal. So let's just save this data from here, save this project and cut it. Don't worry about it, cut it. So here is it, look at it, it looks nice. Let's just watch our clip. So let's just preview it, actually make it like a third, I think so. Yes, I work in third, so yes, we could see nothing. So don't worry about it, actually we have to do some things. So actually import your veins. You could download it from the link in the description as usual, and you could download the project file also, but what you will do it from what you will do from my project file, I don't know. So just the white one, go and make it multiply, and this one, actually the black one, actually make it like subtract. Yes, that is great. And look at it, it's done, the veins are done. Joking just. So control CV, actually just make a lot of copies, and what we are going to do, we are just going to make a little bit vein network, and like this. That should not be precise, actually maybe you should like scale them. Actually you should scale them, these are pretty big nerves, and yes, big nerves. Now go over here and let's just yes, and go over here and just do this. And what we are going to do is just so actually in his video, Andrew Kramer's video also, he have mentioned about the depth of the skin. So what we are going to do, we are just going to add some fast blur over here. Yeah, there is this. Actually After Effects blurs are pretty great. Let's make this a value of like 5. Do it accordingly to yours, according to you how you like it. And actually I will delete this one, I don't wanted this one. So let's just actually bring some more these veins, and let's just check out how it will look like. Yes, it looks pretty well. Just select all of them and go to layer and pre-compose. Pre-compose is just nesting, like nesting the clips, and actually call them veins. Yes, veins. And yes, this will actually happen. And make it what we will do, don't make it screen, sorry, I always work in screen, so many things. So just go to multiply. Yes, holy shit, wait a minute, just what we are going to do is just so actually you have to create a solid. So let's just a white solid will be nice, and don't call it anything, and just place it at the last. Okay, look at them, they look fine. Okay, now yes, it looks fine. Okay, what we are going to do is just no, actually first we should create a inner layer. So what we are going to do is just basically open solid, any solid, and go over here and NOI fractal noise, search for fractal noise, and bring it over here on this, and actually set it according to you how you want. I wanted dynamic, like yes, I want like nerve type. Soft linear is perfect. Complexity, increase them a little bit. Yes, and what we are going to do is just go to transform and make them a little bit like this. Yes, offset like I will like this. Yes, and yes, this is good. Now what we are going to do is just go over here and unhide it, and what we are going to do is just create a mask. So actually don't create a mask. Actually for this I almost forget about it. Go to Mokai and go to matte properties and create AE masks. Okay, now they look at this. So a mask is created from what we have dragged. Now go to mask and do it none. So after doing that, just go to first frame and copy this mask and paste it in the this noise actually. So yes, noise, in the noise. And what we will call it, we will call it actually illum. Okay, so illumination. Okay, and what we are going to do is just go to mask and add. So now what, guess what will happen? Nothing happened because of this. You have to make visible, make the layer visible, and it looks a little bit like clumsy. So what we will do is just go over here and actually go to mask and maybe feather it a little bit like this. Yes, this looks fine. And what we are going to do is just in the veins, what we are going to do, make the vein the top layer and select illumination and none and Luma Mate veins. So what we could see actually here is that the veins are our fractal noised solid have traced these veins pattern on it. So what we will do is just, I actually don't like one thing about these is the holy shit, the size actually a little bit like this and like this, and let's just go over here and it is still looks a little bit bad, but don't care about it, we will fix it. And what we will do is just create a actually what I can do right now is just go to color dodge, like look at it, it looks good. Yes, color dodge, yes, color dodge. And what we will do is just create a null object, and remember this is one of the most important point, because I was actually struggling because of this null point. Go over go into main and in Mocha AE open this track data, and what we are going to do, we are going for transform and null one and apply export. Okay, so the data is exported or not, sorry, just actually select that one also and export. And yes, it's look at it, it is on it. Yes, it's on it actually. Let me check whether is it on it. Yes, it's on it. So what we could do, what we will do is actually we want that vein should be vein should stay on their point. So what we will do is just this Pickwick tool. So Pickwick tool and parent it with null object, and look at that, our veins are staying at their own position, and that is what we want. And maybe what we will do is just add some where is it, color correction and curves. And what we will do is just increase red value and go to blue one, and like I liked purple because I was actually using the purple one. Actually that guy was purple one, that's why. And maybe a little bit contrast curve will be perfect, I think so, a little bit. Actually you could watch Andrew Kramer's video for the illumination map. He have a nicer video on that, but because of that Mocha issue. That's why I am creating this video actually. So wait a minute. So the problem we are getting over here is that still the veins are not attached to their position. So what I do, I will check the null object and there is no track data in the null. So I will again go to main and into the effects menu. I will go again to the Mocha and choose the data, because actually the one and only way I know, and the only one way that works is this one, and select this gal and again just do those things like transform and null object and apply export. So look at it, let's just check our, so look at it, now it's exported, and that was the problem actually. That's why our vein was not so look at it, it looks great. When the first time I was successful in doing this, and I was so much happy when this worked. And what is the problem over here is that there is a lot of white portion over here. So what we will do is just for some time we will do this, and let's just go to the position where the veins are in the perfect position, and then we will pick whip it with the null object, and look at it, it looks, sorry, and veins, and wait a minute, and just pick whip it with the null veins, okay, not illumination, veins, and look at it, it will stay. Wait a minute, just make it half or third, based upon your computer specification or laptop specification, whatever you are using. And basically our work is done. What we wanted to do was that to let the nerve stay. You look at it, it looks nice, I think so. And yes, it is staying on its point. Yes, it stays on its point, like look at it, yes, it stays on its points. And basically you could create your own illumination map by changing the noise, like I have done in my video. You could do it, and I will be making, and the link for Andrew Kramer's video will be also in the link in the description. The link will be in the description, and you could watch his video for the illumination map, and you could watch my video for the Mocha AE, because that is actually the main part of the video that was that was so much problematic for me. So if you are new to After Effects, let's just go into let's just go over here, add to render quick. And actually if you are new to After Effects, just do one thing, you could download Media Encoder, because there is no codec in 2020 and 2019. There is no codec for H.264, which is actually MP4. So what you could do is download Media Encoder, and you could render your videos in Media Encoder. Or what you could do is just a simple thing, and a very quick tip from me, that I was doing when I don't have Media Encoder. You have to just go over here, select JPEG sequences and make it OK, and output option, and give the directory wherever you want to save your rendered video. And what you could do, that you could stitch those videos in Premiere Pro. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope so you will understand the concept behind the hope so you have find the solution of that Mocha AE problem that I was facing when I was creating this lit effect. So hope so you like it. If you haven't watched my VFX video, you could watch it. That will be the link will be in the description, and that is actually my second channel. You should subscribe it also, because I will make you laugh in future. And subscribe this channel also for these tutorials. And if you want separate video for illumination map, I will be also creating that video. If you want, you could comment it, and one comment will be enough. If you will say, I will create it. And other effects what I have made in VFX video, I will be creating all the tutorials what I have done in my VFX video. If you want any one specific, so just comment it, I will make the tutorial for that. And that's it, guys. Hope so you like the video. Subscribe, like, and stay safe. Bye bye.